Welcome. This is a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions, created to help you relax, release tension, and gently restore inner calm.
Chapter 1: Boost your self-confidence. Hello, I am glad to be here with you today. Together, we will take some time to restore your self-confidence. So, make yourself comfortable, sitting upright, your head gently lifted. Close your eyes when you feel ready, and allow yourself to simply settle. Notice your breathing. It often happens without you even thinking about it. Yet now, I invite you to observe it. Feel its rhythm, its depth, its gentle sway. As you follow this rhythm, let calmness fill the space within you. Inhale deeply and exhale all the air from your lungs. Again, breathe in and breathe out fully at your own pace. Very good. Just keep following the gentle flow of your breath. Sometimes it is slow, sometimes deeper, more expansive. Notice how it changes over time. By doing this, you begin to illuminate old patterns within you, bring more quietness inside, and become aware of your sensations, your impressions. So many things in life happen automatically. You allow them to, without even noticing. Most of the time, it goes well, but sometimes you feel blocked. Blocked by a situation or by a person, as if fear suddenly takes hold of you. And it can freeze you inside, preventing you from being at ease. How could one succeed in an exam without believing in themselves? How could one give a good presentation if they cannot bear the gaze of others? Or speak their truth if the fear of being judged silences them? The goal here is simple: to feel at home wherever you are. To do what matters to you, with peace of mind and calm assurance. Fear, timidity, old beliefs, they may have blocked you until now. You question yourself, withdraw inside, and cut yourself off from your own power. But let me share a secret. This frustration you feel comes from a contrast between what you live now and the freedom you know exists within you. And that means something powerful. You already carry this freedom inside. Breathe in now and sense your body fully, the position of your body in space. Notice the difference in warmth between the tops and palms of your hands. Feel your body as a whole, right here, right now. Perhaps you notice areas of tension. Send relaxation there. Let comfort spread like a soft wave. A sensation of heaviness or lightness moving through your face, chest, arms, and legs. And once you feel ready, I invite you to set an intention for this session. What would you like to change? What is truly important for you? Choose a clear, positive goal, something concrete and achievable. Perhaps I succeed brilliantly in my exam, or I speak with confidence in my work. It might be, I respect myself in my relationship, or I feel calm and strong in my friendships. Hold that intention in your mind and breathe it into yourself. Take a deep breath in. Expand your belly with air. Exhale fully, letting go. Again, a good, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, center yourself in the here and now. Feel your body and the space surrounding you. You may even imagine the room around you, the objects, the colors, the details. And if you wish, adjust them in your mind to make this space more pleasant. As if you were here, and also by the sea, or in the mountains. Keep noticing your sensations. Relax into this comfort more deeply. Now take a breath, perhaps bigger, deeper. Feel your heart beating steadily in your chest. This attention makes you more receptive, more open to the world around you. You can sense its vibration, its presence, its atmosphere. And all the while, you remain grounded, safe in this moment, here and now. And at the same time, you can begin to expand beyond yourself. Feel yourself growing taller, larger, taking more space, claiming your place. Free yourself from what holds you back, because you have the right to be who you are. Imagine your fear as an image, your limiting beliefs given a form. Perhaps chains from the past, old words, old events pulling you back. Give them a color, a shape. See what has been holding you. And when you are ready, take a deep breath and prepare to release them. With your breath, cut the ties. Release what has no place inside you. Again and again, cut, release, until only you remain free and whole. When it is done, inhale deeply and thank yourself for this inner work. Sometimes the obstacle may appear as a prison, something that once protected you. But now it traps you, suffocates you. Check inside. Is something restraining you? If yes, observe it. Perhaps it is a weight, a shell, an armor. Or maybe a thick, dark cloud surrounding you. Take a moment to see it clearly. And when you are ready, breathe deeply. Fill your belly with air and break free. Push, pull, cut what needs to be cut. Step out of that prison now. You do not belong there, so liberate yourself. Spread your wings. If it is like a dark cloud, blow gently until nothing remains. And when all is gone, breathe deeply again. Feel the first taste of freedom inside you. Let this freedom grow with each breath, more present, more alive. With every inhale, expand faster, become vaster, more immense. Press through your feet, push to grow taller.
This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.